In this video clip, I'm going to show you some basic features within the Webstarts website builder. And Webstarts allows you to create a free website to practice, to try it out. And I have a couple of free websites with Webstarts, and I also bought a few domain names through Webstarts because they let me use their great service for free, and it all linked together. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to use some basic features within a Webstarts account. I'm signed into my account. I'm at Manage Pages, and I chose to be at my Lot of Coupons section. Manage Sites, and that's where you find it. You click it. I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to show you something. These are the 4 pages of my website. I either can copy from a page, an existing page, and all the information on that existing page will populate onto your new page. I'm going to start with a blank page. I'm going to name it Testing. You can always delete it later. Create Page. It brings me back to this, and then you have to click on the Edit section. A little edit. First thing I want to show you, this is a menu that automatically pops up from the other web pages. You can hit the X if you want. You can either leave it or get rid of it. It's up to you. Change it. Whatever you want to do with it. If you want to change it, you go here. You want it, vertical, home, about, contact. You get to change all that. It's up to you. And different styles. Different colors, Hoover, you play with it and you choose what you like, and then it saves it. I'm just going to get rid of it since I showed you that. You're going to click on File. You're going to go to Page Settings. I recommend doing these 3 tasks before anything else. You go to your page title and you type in the title. Go to your keywords, type in your keywords. I usually put, at least no more than a dozen, in my opinion. And then you give a meta tag description, how to create a free website using Webstarts. I suggest 2 or 3 sentences at least for a meta tab description. Click Apply. Oh, and then if you want to change the background color, from this area you can. Background image. I mean, you do have to practice to learn, folks. I want to see that. Yeah, see how that pops up. That's from another page I have. It's pretty funny how that popped up. That's pretty cool. Let me check out one more thing. I never really use that. Oh, this is checked. One of my images, so that's what came up. Got it. I will keep it on top. That was something good to show you. Next thing I want to show you that's fun, and I feel a necessity if you even want to create a chance of succeeding online. Click on Facebook. Choose the style that you want. Continue. Make the box smaller. You place your cursor over it. You get to move it around wherever you like. Twitter. Pick the style you like, do it again, and I should keep these boxes large because I want to come back and show you something that took me a long time to learn because I taught myself. Google Plus. Okay, we'll start with those 3. I'm going to, this is the Save button. It'll ask you, do you want to tell your friends about it? No, I always say no. I'll do it in a moment. But click on File, Save, and Publish. I'm going to publish this for a reason because I want to show you something. Why these features are so easy. They make it so easy for you. You don't have to worry about creating a manual code to embed this image onto your website. This Webstarts makes it very easy. I'm going to click my link there, open up the page. I want you to see if you click like, the Facebook like, the box comes up and you sign in. You want that. So any one of your visitors can do that. Click the Twitter. Same thing happens. Your visitor signs in, and it'll post it, see how it automatically populates into the field, and then you have your Google+. That's really good to teach you. Okay, what else can I show you? Okay, HTML code. Any HTML code that you have. You click HTML, and you paste the code in this field right here. Now, view source code. I don't use this because the few times I've tried, it screwed up my website, my web pages, the format. So I learned not to fight it. I paste code into here. You have your Google AdSense code. You put add a Google AdSense ad, or Chitika ad, or an image. You know, an HTML code of an image. What's this here? Insert box. You know, I never use this. Insert box. I guess you could put a box, and then you click this here. Insert text box. Okay, you could do that and place that in there. And then you click the little pencil. You highlight it, and you start typing. I'll say Webmasters Ultimate Resources.com is another website I have, and you have to click out of it. Oh, I see why that box comes in handy. That's pretty cool. I'm already thinking, how can I use that? You click here, set font color, change the color. You got to click out of it again, and then click the pencil, and you click that. Background color. See how that changes that? Let me see, do I have to hit the pencil every time? Yes, I do. And then you got your font style. And then you have your font size, or bold, or italic, or underlined. You get the drift. This, insert image. Now you upload files from your computer, then it saves it, so you don't have to keep doing that every single time. You click upload files from your computer. You know, I'll choose me and my mom from years ago. Open. It'll upload it. Oh, this is something good to show you. Now I'm going to go back to show you this. Wider than the page. Would you like to resize it? Yeah. You got to play with it. Insert file. See how it comes huge? But if I click it, go to the side, you can make it smaller, or you could go to this box right here. It's just a blue box, resize by value. And I'm going to say 125 by 125. Awesome. You could do it that way. You click the link. You can link that image to another page or to another website. Type in a URL. I like to open link in a new window. That means a new tab opens every time someone clicks on that image. You could create a tag. Me and mom. So if the image doesn't pop up, the alternative tag. You know, that's very important with search engine optimization too. Say you were speaking about, I have a coffee site on here. I would have put the name of the coffee that I was selling in the alternative tag, because that helps with getting indexed to the search engines. The robots spider your HTML, and it helps the search engines understand where your site should be indexed within their search engine. This edit image, you can edit the image. Oh, this is cool. You could crop it here if you want to. It's up to you. Just to pick a section of it. Or rotate image. You see? Then you update image. And it changes it. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's really wild. That's a good feature. This is what I wanted to show you. Now, oh, this would be good. See how this disappears when I place it over the text, Webmaster's Ultimate Resources? Now I got to move the whole box. That's a perfect example. I'm going to use the arrow here. Get rid of that. But if I want the Google Plus to stay over that, I got to move this box too. Oh my gosh. On top of these, the text in the box, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click Bring to Front, Bring Forward. So when I drag it, it covers the text. So you can overlap stuff. Same thing with here. See, watch. This is on top of the box and the text. But if I go like this to the box and I say bring this to the front, bring this to the front, see how that disappeared? And say bring it to the back, bring it to the back, it comes back. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you some basic features I use. I love that image thing. The Twitter, the Google+, the Facebook, the text, the overlapping. These are things you need to know. Yeah, you could get the same thing, bold, italic, underline here. You could insert image, file, and videos here. Oh yeah, you could do your videos. What's this? Insert flash. Now you can insert flash. Insert audio. Insert video. It's the same thing, guys. So I hope this video helps you learn how to use Webstarts and, enjoy a freebie website offered by Webstarts.